Sometimes, when you're using Google Chrome, you might find a website you like. To save it for later, you'll want to bookmark it. By bookmarking, you can go to the Bookmarks section and open that website again. In this video, we'll show you how to bookmark any website on Google Chrome. To do this, open the Google Chrome application, then select the website you want to bookmark. For example, let's say I want to bookmark this page. To do that, look up at the top where you'll see 3 dots. Click on those 3 dots. When you do, you'll notice a star-like button. Click on that star-like button, and the page will be bookmarked. Later, if you want to revisit this website, click on the 3 dots again. When you do, you'll see a Bookmarks option. Click on Bookmarks, and you'll find the bookmarked website listed there. That's the website I bookmarked. When you click on it, you'll be taken back to that page. That's how you can easily bookmark any website on Google Chrome. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it useful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.